6 foods that increase fertility. Number 1 are beans and lentils. The high fiber and protein content of beans and lentils can enhance ovulation. Both of these legumes are also a great source of folic acid, which is essential for proper embryo development and fertilization. Number 2 is sunflower seeds. Sunflower seeds include sizable amounts of zinc, folic acid, and selenium, all of which are powerful nutrients for fertility with exceptional advantages. Number 3 is fruits, and berries, which are abundant in antioxidants, are also high in vitamin C and folic acid, 2 nutrients that support good photogrowth after conception. Number 4 is avocados. They include monounsaturated fats, which are healthy fats rich in dietary fiber and folic acid, both of which are known to be essential during the first trimester of pregnancy. Number 5 is quinoa. Quinoa is a fantastic whole grain since it contains plenty of protein, zinc, and folic acid in addition to being carb-free. Together, these elements provide a strong prenatal protection strategy while preserving good fetal development after conception. Number 6 is salmon. Salmon provides a ton of protein and essential omega-3 fatty acids that support fetal growth throughout pregnancy, adding even more of those good fats.